Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. This one that is about identities. So we have s minus 1 everything to the power of 2. This one we can put into s minus 1 minus 1. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and now we have like this. So s minus 1 we change by tan t, and tan t in here. ds we change by this one. This one we have secant of t square. This one we have secant of t. Now we simplify secant of t. Next, secant of t multiplied by tan t and number 1. Next, the integration of this one, we have secant of t. This one, we have Fn of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to arctan of s minus number 1. And now we need to change this one for t. So tan with arctan, we have s minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.